Hello and welcome everyone to a new video in your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to create your own memoji on iPhone. So to do this, you just need to go and open your messages, and after that, you need to create a new message. We will just use this message to create our own memoji. We will not send it to anyone. So you just need to go and create a new message. After that, click on the plus sign. Just scroll down a little bit. And after that, go and click on more. Just scroll down a little bit if you need and click on memoji. And as you can see here, you can see your own memoji. Like here, you can see it. You have different styles that you can choose from. Or if you want to create your own memoji, you just click on the plus sign. And as you can see here, this is your own memoji. So to do the modification on it, you just need to modify whatever you want, the shape of the face, the color of the face, the hairstyle. You can do all these modifications. There is hundreds and hundreds of things that you can edit. As you can see, for example, this is the hairstyle. The brows also, you can change them. The eyes, the color of the eyes, everything you can change it here, even the form of the head, all those things. You just need to go and to change them. Everything you need to change it. And after you complete your modification, you just need to go and to click on done. And after you will click on done, you can start using this memoji in your messages, and also you can start using this memoji on your iPhone. So don't forget to click on done before completing all the editing of your memoji. Of course, I will not do it in this video all because it will take a lot of time from me. So I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and see you in the next one.